So, dito sa digital prototype namin, need mo mag-enter ng username at password, then mag-login. Pagkatapos nan, pwede kang pumili ng gusto mong orderin. Halimbawa ay Spanish latte. So, click mo lang yung back sign. If halimbawa gusto mo ng matcha latte, then click the back sign mo ulit. Pag gusto mong ibang order, then pag naklik mo na yung gusto mong item, may lalabas na plus and minus sign. If want mo magbawas or magdagdag, then click mo na yung order button.
Naman natin makikita ang inventory system, kung saan makikita natin kung ilan pa ang materials ang natitira na stock sa coffee shop. Click lang natin yung materials na gusto natin dagdagan ng stock. Click lang natin yung add button, then click lang natin yung add.
So, mag-choose na tayo, mag-a-add ng ating product ingredients, which is you can choose image, then type the product name and choose its unit, whether it is grams, millimeter, or by pieces. Then here we will choose the pieces and enter its piece. We will type 50 pieces and it will pop up in the inventory management. That's all.